Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I look super tired and sleepy, so I'm just gonna start off with getting my brows done. I'm gonna speed through this. Let me know down below if you want me to film an updated brow tutorial for you guys. So I'm just filling out my brows with this cheap ass pencil. This is from Davis Cosmetics. I really love it. And I'm just carving out my brows with good old LA Pro concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I like to use a dark concealer before I go ahead and highlight wherever I want to highlight. So I'm doing that with a Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade Tan Sand. So I'm just gonna put that just below my brow bones, and I'm gonna go in with a flat brush to carve out my brows. You guys know that I love my brows really thick. I don't know, I feel like that's what I love. I can't even explain it. So I'm just buffing out the concealer, and I'm gonna put that onto my eyelid, and I'm setting it with some Benai banana powder, and I'm using my Real Techniques miracle sponge to set my concealer. So surprise, I'm going in with liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Arriba from ColourPop. I'm just gonna blend that out onto my eyelid, and then I'm just gonna go into the Juvia's Place Magic Mini palette. I'm gonna go in two shades. I can't really remember the name of the shades I use, but it's the black. Is it black? Oh my god, did I say black? The red eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna go in with an orange shade to kind of blend out the edges, because you guys know that I don't want any harsh lines on my face. Yeah, so I'm just blending out the edges. I'm just blending out my crease with that orange shade I showed you guys earlier. It's kind of like burnt orange. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go straight ahead and go into this Morphe palette, and I'm gonna go into the red shade too, and then I'm gonna put that onto my lid because I wanted it to be really intense. So that's what I'm doing right now. Does anyone else breathe when they are doing their winged eyeliner? Because I really cannot breathe. Like, I can't talk, I can't think, I can't do anything, because my wings will not be equal if I even flinch. So I have to try really hard and stay stiff. And I wanted the wings to be really intense, because I just used just a few colors on my eyelid. So I just went on with my eyelashes off camera. I'm just wiping off the excess products, like the fall off from the eyeshadow. There wasn't much anyway, so I'm just wiping that off with some baby wipes, and I'm just gonna go straight into the skin. I'm just priming my face with the ColourPop All Star matte primer. I can't really tell if this primer is matte, but it feels amazing, so I just use it. And as usual, I'm gonna set my face with the Benai banana powder. You guys know that I do that often. And if you haven't seen my updated foundation routine, I will put that below in the description box, so you guys can just click that and watch my updated foundation routine. So like I said, I'm just setting my face with the Benai banana powder. I'm just using the Real Techniques sponge. I'm gonna go into foundation. I'm using my black opal stick foundation. I'm using the shade Truly Topaz and Nutmeg. I'm gonna put that all over my face and blend it out with a Real Techniques brush. I'm just going over my face with a sponge to take off the excess product and also to blend in the product some more. I'm gonna go straight into highlighting. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I'm just gonna put a few dots under my eyes and the bridge of my nose, wherever I usually highlight. and I don't like to highlight my forehead so much because it's like huge. I'm gonna post like an updated contour and highlight routine because a couple of you guys have asked me, so I'm gonna do that beginner friendly. And also I'm just you know, contouring with my black opal stick foundation. I can't get enough of this product, guys. Like, I've been using it way too much. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend out the products in my face. I'm blending out the concealer first because this concealer tends to dry really fast, so I just like to blend that out so that it doesn't stick onto my skin if I'm trying to blend out later. And I'm also gonna go in and blend out my contour after I do this. Now I'm just going in with the foundation brush I used earlier to kind of make all the products seamless on my face, no harsh lines whatsoever. So I'm just using the brush I used to conceal my eyebrows earlier to kind of like take the wings, like kind of clean up the wings a bit. And I'm just setting my entire face with the Benai banana powder like I did before. So I'm just using the sponge to push the product into my skin, my forehead, my nose, you know, wherever I put the lighter concealer. Fun fact, I don't know what this is called, the reverse contouring or reverse highlighting. I really don't know, but I'm just trying to get my face snatched. I'm just using a black eyeliner for my lower lash line. This is called a tight lining, I believe. I'm not sure exactly. I'm gonna come back with the right words, and I'm gonna go in with the red eyeshadow I used earlier. I'm just gonna put that onto my lower lash line to smoke it out to make the look more seamless. And also I'm gonna put some mascara on there, but I'm gonna do that, I think I'm gonna do that later on. And also I'm going in with the LA Pro face powder. This powder is amazing. I think it's like a good dupe for the MAC Studio Fix mineralized skin finish. I'm not sure exactly, but it's an amazing product. And also I'm just setting my contour, or I'm bronzing with a shade from the Morphe palette, the 39A palette. That palette is amazing. I'm just going over my nose contour as well to kind of get my nose snatched. I'm going back into the Magic Mini palette by Juvia. I'm just using that orange shade as a blush, and I'm just setting my face with some good old rose water, and I'm pushing the product into my skin as I do. I'm going in with some mascara, and I'm gonna highlight with my BH Cosmetics X Kylie Barbell palette. This highlight has been like, I just really love it. I need to get some new highlighters because I've been going back and forth with this and my Maybelline Chrome highlighter. I need to try some new highlighters. So I'm just highlighting my chin, my you know, the places where I usually highlight. And I'm going in with the same liquid lipstick I used earlier from Colourpop. It's called Aripa. You guys know that. So I'm just putting that all over my lip, and I lined my lip earlier. I didn't put that on here, but I did line my lip with a brown lip liner. So yeah, and also I'm gonna go in with the NYX lip lingerie thing. I don't know how to pronounce it, seriously. Lip lingerie. It's also a red color, like it's a little darker than the Colourpop one. So I'm just setting my face with some TM Essentials Glow Spray in Angel, and I am setting my brows with their Brow Tamer as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.